Buza Commissioner.
The next question is for someone called Carol. And Carol is asking about ledger reconciliation. She says, we are struggling with reconciling ledgers for rental tax, especially where a wrong post was made by a client who is no more for many years. And yet, fines keep accruing on the same with no effort from your office to collect this. No one takes responsibility. Who should help collect this? Must someone from Arua travel to Kampala to be supported as suggested by the staff? It also seems as though mobile money payments are not reconciled. Now, Carol, first of all, thank you for raising this. We do have teams in charge of ledgers reconciliation. Now, let me give a background. For a very long time, ledgers have been a point of conflict between taxpayers and URA. We used to manage these ledgers on your behalf, and as taxpayers, you did not have much visibility on what is on your ledger, when you pay, to what tax head have you paid, and for which period. But about 2 years ago, we took a bold step to open up your ledgers to every taxpayer, meaning that when you log in, you see all your payment credits, you see all your outstanding unpaid taxes, you see the last payment, and you have a freedom to allocate that the payment I'm making it for this tax head and for this period. So that is more power given to the taxpayer for us to avoid conflict with our taxpayers over ledger issues. And following that, we have been going through reconciliation with taxpayers so that whoever finds that there was a misposting, because I would like to give an example. Sometimes you have a tenant in your building who withholds some of your income. And once they have withheld that income, they have a responsibility to post that to your credit. But they may erroneously post your credit on income tax instead of rental tax. Now, if such a thing happens, one, you can talk to the withholding tax agent who did the error to collect it by amending. But also if they don't, you can approach any of our offices and tell us that this posting was done in error. It's not for income tax, it is for rental income. And we'll do that for you at no cost. So, Carol, if you have such a query, my first advice to you, approach your URA local office. Should they not be able to solve it, it is their responsibility to escalate it to the headquarters. And if you don't find a quick response in that, please feel free to use any of our online channels, because we have a toll-free call where you can call and get assisted, and I will ask UBC to display these numbers, because the number for toll-free where you don't pay to reach us is 0800-11-700. That number, as displayed on the screen, you can call it toll-free. The other line that you can use is our WhatsApp line, and our WhatsApp line is 0772-14-0. Those are 000 4 times. Again, that one, you can send us a WhatsApp message and you say, I have this challenge. But we also have an email where you can send your issues, and the email for collecting such is services@ura.go.ug. I request that all these channels are displayed. We have a Twitter account, we have a Facebook page. You can reach us on any of our social media channels or through our telephone lines. Now, that is if you don't visit our premises, you can get help still online. But the most important thing for you to know is that you have the right to amend any return that has not been done correctly, and you can do it yourself through these channels, but you can also visit our offices. And you should be able to get the necessary help. You don't have to travel to be here physically. If you're in Arua, send this to the office in Arua, and if they can't handle it, let it be the responsibility of Arua office to send it to Kampala, and Kampala should handle it. And now that we have this channel, I will wait to see your report on whether you have been assisted or the matter is pending, and please mention which office has kept your matter pending, and we will ask them to account for the reason why.
Buza Kamisona.